Hi, this is Luke A with the PCT North America team, and in this video I will show you how to use the Adjust RX function. To adjust an RX layer, first choose the layer in the View tool. Then click the More Options button next to the layer and click Adjust RX. The prescription can be adjusted according to a new total, a total percentage, or a new average. There is also a slider that you can drag to make adjustments. When finished, click Apply Adjustments. Then the adjusted RX will be displayed and you can download a shapefile or report.